I'm going to show you 2 quick methods on how to do the bold cap method. Now, pay attention. I just sprayed GOT2B hairspray along the hairline, and now I'm using the dryer. So copy me and follow as I do, okay? And this should be really simple. Once you're done drying and everything is completely dry, you're going to take a pair of scissors and then cut along the perimeter of your hairline. Yep, just keep going, copy me as I do. It's really simple, okay? Snip, 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 and you're basically pretty much done. And, okay, so the second method that I've got for you guys is I just fucking screwed up because like now I just put the wig on, so that's a lie. So we're just gonna keep going anyway. Basically, so the second method is you put your cap on, cut your ear holes as you would do, and then I'm just applying some actual adhesive glue down to the perimeter of the hairline. So keep going, swoop, swoop, swoop as you do, and then just blow dry your hairline. Now it's time for the cutting. So quick, so simple, so easy. Make sure you cut as close as you can to the perimeter of the bold cap because you don't want the bits flying up. And that's it, you're done. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, hit the like button, show us some love. We're doing it for you. Bye.